Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. This beautiful picture is done by using Python Turtle graphics. First I will show you the running of the code and then you can see how this picture is building. After that I will explain in detail about the code. Just by clicking here, this will close. Then again I will execute the code and show how it is running. Taking command prompt, Python spiral89.py. I have given the name for the file as spiral89.py. Just entering, you can see how it is drawing. Wow, wonderful design. Yes, it is completed. Now I'm going to explain the code. Actually, this code is done by a simple code of 10 lines. The first line, import turtle as t. That is, here we are importing turtle. We are setting it as t. That is, by giving turtle as t, instead of turtle we can use just t in all other lines. Okay. Then the second line, t.pendown. It is for starting writing by using the pen. Then t.speed equal to speed 0. That is, speed set as 0. The drawing will do with maximum speed. t.pensize 2. That is the thickness of this drawing. That is set as 2. Then t.color gray. This color is we set as gray color. You can change the color and see what happens. Also you can change the pen size to increase or decrease the thickness of these lines. Then just a for loop for I in range 500. That is, here 500 lines are drawing one by one. First I takes value 0, then up to 499. It takes value up to 499. In this loop, t.forward I means first it takes 0, then it takes 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Then in each step it draw a line with the size 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And after drawing a line, it is just shift left, that is turning to left 89 degree. That is just shifting left 89 degree, then draw the next line. Then again shift 89 degree left and again draw next line, like that. By doing 499 times, that is 499 times, this entire picture completes. Then the last line, 10th line, the exitonclick is used for exiting from this Python Turtle graphics. By clicking here, it will close. The 10th line is just for that purpose. Okay. To get more such good videos, you can subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.